Welcome guys to my new video. My dear technician, check this out. One of my technician brought this phone to me. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see that the screen is new. Check this out. The screen of the phone is new. You may ask, Father Joe, why is the screen new? This is because the phone is not turning on. The technician that worked on the phone before thinks that the screen is a problem. So they change the screen. It's still not working. The phone is still not turning on. My dear technician, they brought it to me for repair. Check this out. I'm going to try my best to fix this phone. I'll use my DC power supply. Not just that, with my multimeter to test and know exactly the problem of the phone. Check this out. I use my DC power supply. I connect it to test. My dear technician, from the DC power supply, you can see that the problem is actually coming from the CPU. The CPU is not working. Something's wrong with the CPU. You can see the reading stops. This is because the CPU is not good. Yes. You may ask, Father Joe, how do you know it? If you want to learn how to read and know all of this, come from my physical training. I'll take my time and expatiate all of this to you. Yes. And I will show you a whole lot of things so that you can understand. My dear technician, check this out. I'm done with the testing. The next thing is fixing the phone. So let me start now. Check this out. First thing, I check for physical damage. I read the ground and the positive. You can see that is reading. Here we have error here. There's an error here. You can see that the NTC is connected to the positive, which is very, very wrong. The NTC is connected to the positive. You can see, which is very wrong. There's something wrong here. So I will correct it. It's very simple to correct it, my dear technician. If you have schematic, you will see everything on the schematic. From there, you will know what I'm trying to say. That the NTC line is connected to the positive, which is the VBAT. You can see? My dear technician, I'm not really sure that this problem, this NTC line, is the main reason why the phone is not turning on. At least the phone should turn on. But anyway, let me correct the mistake. Let me correct it. Let me correct the mistake I need to correct. After correcting, I will try turning on the phone. If not working, we are going to move to the next step. Feel free to ask me a question in the comment section. Like this video, comment and share. Follow me, subscribe to my channel. Check this out. Check this out, my fellow technician. Check this out. You can see the phone. Check this out, my fellow technician. I have to remove the cameras. My dear technician, take your time to do this. Don't rush. You can see I'm going to remove the battery connector. Check this out. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. I want to remove the battery connector right now. No time to waste. Check this out. I need to brush this place and do normal connection because I want this phone to work for my customer. Check this out. I test and I confirm that the NTC line is working. So check this out. I clean this place because I don't want it to short with the positive anymore or the negative. So the next thing is for me to remove the shell. and go deeply and check. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I will be done. 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 Check this out, my fellow technician. Check this out. The next thing is for me to check for physical damage. Right here, I discovered that the technician that worked this phone before tried to remove the shell. So that is why we have errors here. He forcefully tried to remove the shell without using a blower. So I have to correct this place. I have to correct the error. You can see I put the fuse resistor very well and I correct it. You can see I put back the battery connector. Check this out. I set it very well. It's important for you to do so. And the technician, check this out. I check for any other physical damage. I check it very well. Check this out. So I test components and check if there's anything that could stop this phone from booting. So the next thing is for me to connect the NTC line. You can see I connect the NTC line. Check this out. My dear technician, if you have question, let me know in the comment section. The next thing is for me to connect the battery and try turning on the phone to see if it's going to work. Let me fix it and try. I use my DC power supply to connect it. I try turning on. Check this out, it's still not working. I try many times, still not working. My fellow technician, you can see, I try again. Still not working. My technician, there is no short on the board. There is no short. Nothing is shorting. I test component very well. Nothing is shorting, but the phone is not turning on. I need to remove the CPU. I even use the battery to try turning on the phone. Still the same thing. You can see. The next thing is for me to connect the ID pin. Check this out. You can see I connect the ID pin. It's very important to the battery connector. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Make sure that you apply your UV curing mask and your lamp to cure it. Check this out. And make sure I take my time to fix the phone. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. I'll be done. Check this out. And make sure I fix everything because I want this phone to work. Check this out. I tested and it works like magic. It reads. Check this out. The next thing is for me to remove this shell and check. I want to inspect. I want to be sure that nothing is wrong. Because if something is wrong here, the phone will not turn on. And not just that, the CPU. Because the capacitor that is filtering the voltage that is going straight to the CPU is here. So need to remove it and check. My fellow technician, check this out. You can see that some capacitors here are shorting. And these are the capacitors that filter voltage that goes straight to the CPU. So I have to remove the CPU. Through this out, you can see. Through this out, I apply flux around the CPU because we have gum under the CPU. My fellow technician, you have to be very, very careful. So you can choose any way that you want to start. For me, I will start from here to remove it. Check this out. You can see I apply heat. Check this out, just apply heat. You can see the way I'm doing my own. If you have question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Just take your time to do it. I love doing this every single day. This is what I do. I make money from this. I'm a dear technician. Check this out. Just insert your tools. Insert it very well. Take your time to do so that you will not spoil anything. Don't want it to spoil anything. Even the IC. Make sure that you use the normal temperature. If not, you're going to burn the IC. So take your time to do. I will be done. Check this out. You can see I'm inserting. 1, 2, ready. 1, 2, ready. Let's go. No time to waste. Let's jack it up. 1, 2, ready and go. You can see we have successfully removed the CPU. You can see that we don't have any damage. You can see the black paste. Check this out. You can see the black paste. So I have successfully removed the CPU. The next thing is for us to clean and then reboot the CPU and put it back. My fellow technician, please, if you have any question, feel free. Ask me a question in the comment section, please. Ask me a question. I want you guys to ask me a question. I want to see your question, please. If you have any question, feel free. Ask me in the comment section, please. It's important. I want to know. Ask me a question. Check this out, my fellow technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Make sure that you clean it very well. You can see. You can see I'm cleaning my own. So make sure that you clean your own very well. Check this out. I will be done. The next thing is for me to reball. You can see. But before I reball the IC, I have to clean the black paste. Make sure you clean the black paste first. You can see. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section, please. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. My fellow technician, check this out. After I remove the CPU from the stencil, you can see that the balls are nice, in a good shape. You can see, very nice. I love this, my dear technician. You can see there's no error. Check this out. So the next thing is mounting the CPU. Have to mount it very well. Hopefully the phone works. If not working, the CPU needs replacement. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Make sure you set it very well. Most technicians, they don't set it. Most technicians, I've seen a lot, and they end up spoiling the CPU. It's important for you to set it, okay? Just set it very well before you start so that you won't have any error. You can see the way I'm doing my own. Perfect. I check around and I confirm. Check this out. Check this out. The next thing is heating up. I have to heat up. Check this out. I'm using the normal temperature. At the technician, I will be done. At the technician, have in mind that I'm not using the temperature I used before. So this one is a different temperature because I'm mounting the IC. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Make sure you heat up. Take time to heat up the IC. Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Make sure that you observe it very well. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I'll be done. Let me shake a little bit. Let me share a little bit. 1, 2, ready, and go. Check this out. I'm done. Validate technician. I'm done. Check this out. There's no error. I'm done. Now let me test and see if it works. If not working, I will tell the owner. If not working, I will tell the owner so that we can order the IC. If there is no money to order the IC, I will fix the phone and give it back to the owner. Check this out. By the technician, you can still get the CPU from the same PCB or from a different phone but have the same CPU. Okay. By the technician, let me test and see. Check this out. Let me test and see if it's going to work. If not working, I will tell the owner that the IC is not good. You can see that it's not turning on, it's not working. By the technician, to fix the issue, I need to replace the CPU. So I'll let the owner know so that I can get the CPU and replace it. Thank you and bye for now.